Welcome back.
It's part 3.
Part 3, also titled on our little spreadsheet here, The Other Stuff.
The other stuff.
So we are again talking dining.
Yeah.
But now we're sort of flicking around Florida and the general area and trying a few places that aren't on iDrive.
So why don't we do the Universal stuff first, because that's all together.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
So we'll go to Universal Studios.
Mm-hmm.
In the actual parks, we're going to start at Finnegan's, which is the Irish themed
Studios?
place.
The Mummy?
The original Universal Studios
Yeah.
park. So this is an Irish themed restaurant.
Yeah.
What did you think?
I thought it was lovely.
Yeah, very nice food. Well, theme park food, very nice.
Yeah, we had a nice server. It was nice to sit down and have a break. We've never done that in Universal before. We've never done a table service.
And it's quite common to do that for us in Disney, but it certainly was after 2018.
Yeah.
But we never really did it before in Universal.
No, we'd always just grab something on the go.
Pizza.
Or that we did do
A
Monster's
burger.
Cafe.
Yeah, we've done a few sort of quick serve
corn
places.
dogs.
But yeah, I had some. Did I have like
You had like a stew,
Didn't I?
a Guinness stew with mash on,
Mhm.
and I had a corned beef sandwich.
And I had a beer cocktail,
You did have a beer cocktail, didn't you?
which was interesting.
Yeah.
Guinness, Floridian Guinness, I'm afraid, is not very good.
So it was a bit pricey because you were in a theme park.
Yeah, we got entrees at $14 to $24.
Yeah, but it was nice. It really was nice.
Moving over to the Islands of Adventure Park.
This is as you're walking through from like Seussland into Jurassic World Park.
That's right. It
Yeah,
is the Mythos restaurant. So this restaurant has actually been voted like the best theme park restaurant. Is it themed or just the best restaurant?
The best restaurant,
But
I think. Yeah.
it was very good.
It was, yeah. Because we were there in January and it was a little bit chilly. It was a chilly day the day we went.
So it was nice to go inside and sit
And my
there.
friend Nicola had been there in September, I think, and said she's had a really good meal there. And she's vegetarian, so sometimes she struggles. Not so much anymore, but with all the Impossible
Yeah,
coming
it's getting better, more choice for everyone.
She said it was really nice, so I thought, well, let's give it a whirl.
Yeah, and I had a vegetarian meal actually. I had a cheese sandwich with tomato soup.
Yeah, but it was called the knife and fork
I can't
cheese
remember. I
sandwich.
just had it was
in the soup, wasn't
yeah,
it?
it came and it was like I didn't need the spoon for the soup because I could mop all of the soup up with the bread. It was really nice.
And I had a duck toasted sandwich with like
a duck actually toasted a sandwich.
cranberry sauce on it. It was very nice.
Entrees there are $16 to $36.
Yeah.
So a little bit more pricey than Finnegan's, but worth the extra.
The expensive ones were steaks again. It was like high-end steaks and stuff. So most of it was around the sort of $16 mark.
So moving out onto CityWalk, we have eaten in two places. We've eaten in the NBC Bar and Grill, entrees being $10 to $30. We didn't like it.
No.
We didn't think the food was very good in there at all.
We had a good server.
Yeah.
The drinks were good.
Yeah. Food was
but
bland.
the food was, we had burgers that day and they asked us how we wanted them cooked and then they came out well done.
Yeah.
So what was the point of asking us how we wanted them cooked?
Yeah, it was not great.
But the atmosphere in there was good. I'll probably give it a go again.
I'd probably just stop in there for a couple of beers, to be honest, because they had a good
and
selection
some
of beer.
bar snacks type thing.
But moving around the other side, probably should have done this one first because it's nearer to the parks. The Hard Rock Cafe is enormous.
It is enormous.
And actually, we had a really good meal there, didn't we?
Yeah. We were sat off in like a little side room, but the food was good.
Yeah, our server looked like he'd been roadieing for a metal band for years.
He knew his stuff.
Yeah, it was really good. Hard Rock, we've got it down at $11 to $25 for entrees.
Yeah.
Nice thing about there is you can wander around with your camera and get some footage or photos of all of the memorabilia. It's full of it. They also do tours, I think, don't they?
If you're right place, right time, I think they will do a tour.
And there's a shop and you can get pin badges. Those are the only places we've eaten in CityWalk. We honourable mention to Margaritaville, which I hope will stay now that they're opening up the Margaritaville Resort, because I really like the one at CityWalk too.
I love stopping for a margarita on the way out the park.
And the plane there is Jimmy Buffett's plane and has bullet holes inside of it. Not because he was shooting it in, but mistaken identity or something. Anyway, where are we going next? Yeah, so now we're going to move around. We're in the car, we're driving, we're exploring. We're going down to Celebration. And we eat at the Celebration Town Tavern. Entrees between $8.50 and $37, so a big price range there.
Yeah.
Really cheap stuff, more expensive
They
stuff.
specialise in seafoods and
Yeah.
actually bring the lobster down from Boston. And there's
They
like
fly it in
tanks of
first class.
live lobster as
It
you go
drinks
in.
champagne on the way.
Neither of us have lobster.
No, I actually decided that because this was a restaurant that does specialise in seafood, I'd have fish and chips, and it was very nice.
And I had the salad.
You had a salad.
And it was one of the best salads I've ever had.
Yeah.
It was a chicken salad and it has like Chinese spices or oil dressing on it. And candied pecans in it, which I wasn't expecting, but were very nice.
It's a nice family restaurant,
Yes, it
family
is. It's
owned,
very
old school
family
restaurant.
style, yeah.
And they have a massive list of craft beers on cans as well.
And you were
as I
driving
remember.
too.
And I was
it's
driving.
amazing. They also have a massive menu. It's ridiculous how big their menu is.
Yeah.
It looks quite small and quaint from the outside, but when you go in, it's a huge place.
Definitely, highly recommend
Yeah,
that place.
it's really good.
Moving on, we're driving up and down the I-4, we're doing a bit of exploring. We called in at a place called Four Rivers Smokehouse.
Yeah.
I said that this reminded me of a Subway, but
For barbecue.
barbecue.
Yeah.
So you basically go in, you pick your meats, you pick your sides, they put it on a tray, and then you sit down and eat it.
And it's like communal, sit down. There was a couple of booths, but it was mainly just a big communal table.
And
that
it's
you sit on.
super relaxed, and it was really good.
Yeah.
Genuinely one of the best meals I've
I
had.
couldn't find out the prices for this because they're not open on a Sunday. And to find prices for most restaurants now, you have to pretend that you're online ordering, and then the prices come up.
Right.
But because it was closed, I couldn't online order.
No, I don't recall it being super expensive.
No, I think it was about. I think we paid was $11 each, and I got ribs, cornbread, and chips, and another meat. I think it was 2 meats.
I got burnt ends and pulled pork.
I think I got sausage. I think I got ribs and sausage.
Definitely
Yeah, it
go
was
there. If
very
you like smokehouse style food, really,
Yeah.
definitely go there. Another one that's a popular one, lots of British vloggers like this one, and that is the Cracker Barrels restaurants. There's multiple of them. The one we went to was on the 27 by Davenport again.
Yeah, we've been a few times. We've had breakfast and lunch.
Yeah. Lunch,
Cracker Barrels.
we really enjoyed.
Lunch was really good. I didn't enjoy my breakfast at all.
Breakfast was bad.
But it's a really quaint little place. It's got a little shop selling all like old-fashioned things, and you can sit on rocking chairs outside.
Yeah, and then you can play with the
Oh,
peg,
yeah, there's a little
golf
peg
tee-bag
game, yeah.
And the shop just looks like a jumble center.
It is so cool. You can hardly move around.
Yeah, it's worth a visit, and it's not expensive with
No, and
entrees
the lunch
being
is nice. We'd definitely go back for lunch, or possibly even a meal.
$5 to $16 for entrees.
Yeah, the breakfast was.
Another one we put down as various locations, but I have heard that the best one to go to is the old original one on the 27 steakhouse called Manny's Chop House.
Yeah.
We've been recommended this from Attraction Tickets Direct Forum years ago and never got to it. So when we went in 2016, yeah, I was like, we need to go here. And
it was good.
Amazing.
And it was cheap.
And it's not like a fancy steakhouse, it's proper old
It
school
looks like a
steakhouse.
proper roadhouse.
Yeah. And all of the Manny's Chop Houses that are open are all like in the Orlando area, it's not like a massive chain.
There's a butcher's as well, isn't it? You walk in there.
Yeah, the meats in a fridge in front of you. Manny's Chop House entrees are $9 to $30. I don't know what it's like now, but you never used to be able to book.
No,
you just turned up.
You can't now. When I was looking at the website, you still couldn't book.
So that was turn up, and it does get busy, so be prepared to wait, because it is very good.
It has a good waiting area though. We had good places for you to sit while you were waiting.
Yeah, another place over at Florida Mall, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it Florida Mall?
Mall at Millennium.
Mall at Millennium, sorry, yes. It's the Cheesecake Factory.
Yeah.
Very busy, very, very popular. Worth going to for the cheesecake, in my opinion.
Yeah, just
the mains were okay.
My main was lovely. I had
there was too much of it.
An orange chicken. The menu is crazily large.
Yeah.
Crazy large. It does everything from tacos to steaks and everything else in between. I like my meal, and it's cheap.
Personally, my main was just okay, but the cheesecake was fantastic. It was a pasta dish with pasta balls.
Oh, it was a garlic.
It was the one I could never remember the name of one of the videos.
Right, yeah.
So, Cheesecake Factory, price-wise, we're talking $8 to $31, so a vast range, and about $8.50 for a slice of cheesecake.
Yeah, so we had our mains, the portions are gigantic, so we had our cheesecake to go.
We did. You can just go in there and buy cheesecake.
Yeah, you just go straight up the counter and take you about half an hour to decide which cheesecake you want, but you can just buy cheesecake.
So that leaves just the one little place on here on the list that we haven't mentioned. There is actually a branch of this on I Drive, and we've just not eaten there yet, and that is the we ate in Bahama Breeze in the airport.
Yeah.
And we've eaten there a couple of times now.
Yeah, it's like become
really
a staple.
Yeah.
We used to always get like a burger from the Outback window,
Yeah.
didn't we? And then when Bahama Breeze opened, we were like, let's go in here. But yeah, it's super cheap for an airport, and the food is cheap as well. We got a place in nachos, and it was gigantic. We just wanted a snack to tide us over the plane.
So prices here, $10 to $25 for the entrees.
Always have specials, always have drink specials.
And it's just a nice chill place to go before you go.
Yeah, it's quite Caribbean themed.
I think we probably should try the International Drive one at some point for a meal tonight.
Yes, it's got a really pretty patio, hasn't it? They have like live music outside and stuff like that.
So I think that pretty much covers everywhere we've ever eaten in Florida.
Yeah.
As far as like sit down table meals.
Yeah, we haven't talked about any like Disney quick service places.
Is there a video on that, do you think? Talking about every single quick service we've ever been to?
And every snack we ever
Because that could take time. But yeah, there we go. So that's pretty much the size of it. That is our 3 videos done of our 3 dining areas and experiences and all that stuff. Hope that was useful to you.
Yeah. If there's any other restaurants, any Disney quick service places that you want to ask us about, just drop a link below, and if you've been, we can
drop a comment below.
Oh yeah, drop a comment.
Drop a link if you want.
Either below or on Instagram or on Facebook.
Sure. Yeah, Gemma looks after our Instagram and Facebook. I look after Twitter. Gemma does a much better job than me, so apologies for our Twitter.
If you send us messages on Facebook and you want Mark, just say, Mark, please answer this, otherwise you get me. Yeah.
Well, Gemma will ask if you
yeah, but I think it's a more Mark themed question, especially this about like camera equipment and stuff. I get him to answer. But generally it's me.
Yeah. So since you have sat through all of that, we do have a little taste test.
We do.
Gemma bought something.
Yeah. So I bought these.
It's still focusing on my daft head.
Gigantic.
There we go.
Bought these donut shop jelly belly. They smell amazing. They actually smell like donuts.
So we're going to try.
So there's 5 different flavours. There's glazed, chocolate glazed, apple filled, strawberry iced and blueberry cake. So we're going to try them. So the first one's going to be the strawberry glazed because I can tell which ones they are. And they do smell like donuts.
I'm going to stick up my nose.
Let's taste it. It doesn't taste like donuts.
Mine does.
It does actually. Maybe because I'm not a fan of strawberry donuts.
It tastes mostly of donut with just a hint of strawberry.
It's weird. They've got the flavour like spot on. Maybe it's got pumpkin in it.
Interesting.
Chocolate glazed.
All the big things from chocolate glazed.
That's very chocolatey.
Oh, that just tastes like a chocolate donut.
Right, it tastes like chocolate cake. Golden chocolate donut. It's very cakey.
It was nice that one. A bit cheap.
Right. But it gets harder. I think this one is just plain glazed. There's no speckles on it.
No speckles.
Just plain glazed.
Yeah.
That is my kind of donut. Plain glazed, not fancy.
Quite nice actually. What next?
Blueberry cake. I think is this one. It's more pinky. Blueberry cake. Yeah, blueberry cake. Apple and blueberry muffin that.
Real smack of blueberry in that.
That's lovely.
Which leaves
Apple filled.
filled.
I'm hoping this tastes like apple.
This is like the oddest end to a video ever.
It is, isn't it? Apple filled.
I'm not getting apple.
Getting cinnamon. Good spice. It could just be called pumpkin spice.
Wasn't much of a muchness to that one. What was your favourite?
The blueberry one.
Yeah, mine too.
The blueberry
Strangely.
one was really good.
I was expecting chocolate to win for me, but blueberry was.
The blueberry was like smacked in the face with a blueberry muffin. It's very good.
As happens frequently.
We will eat the rest of them later.
Yeah. So, anyway, that was the odd end to our dining chats. So yeah, I hope that was useful for you, and I'd be interested in hearing your comments in the description. You can pop things in the description. Pop them in the comments below, and we will reply. Also, if you are new to the channel and you got through this and think we're worth watching more of, give us a like, give us a subscribe,
Ring that bell.
Ring that bell. I always forget that one. And check out the playlist up here, where I will put links to our other trip videos, full Florida videos,
Yeah.
all the stuff. Us walking around, lots of rain, lots of sun, lots of fun,
Yeah.
and lots of beer.
Yeah, always lots of beer.
So yeah, thank you for watching.
Yeah.
And we'll see you soon with the pre-trip chats for our 2019 November big Disney trip.
What are we, 90?
93
3
days
days today.
Yeah. It's going to be a good one. We're staying on site at the Port Ollie, Coronado Springs. But we are pushing to hopefully get a tower upgrade.
No, we're not pushing anything.
No, we're staying on site at Coronado Springs. We're hoping to bump into some fellow vloggers while we're out there and say hello to them.
Time. We're hoping to go to Star Wars Land.
Yes, we are. And we are hoping to have a lovely time.
We are.
With less rain in
first
2018.
Disney trip.
Yes. So, thank you for watching.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Goodbye.